Hello, I am Dr. Urvil Shah. I am a consultant knee and shoulder surgeon. I am also an ex-fellow of OAKS Fellowship Program. I had enrolled in OAKS Fellowship for knee and shoulder surgeries in the tenure of July 2021 to June 2022. It is a comprehensive fellowship program where I got to learn all the possible knee and shoulder surgeries under Dr. Amyn Rajani sir. The fellowship included so many surgeries to learn from, including ACL reconstruction, PCL reconstructions, partial knee replacement, total knee replacement. Even we got to assist him in complex hip cases, hip replacement surgeries, and shoulder replacement, reverse shoulder replacement, and whatnot. This fellowship was a comprehensive fellowship where not just basic steps, but I got to learn all the elaborate details straight from the mentor, that is Dr. Amyn Rajani sir. This fellowship has been life-changing for me, and at present I am working as a consultant knee and shoulder surgeon at my own hospital in Ahmedabad. My hospital's name is Flex Knee and Shoulder Clinic, and I cannot thank Dr. Amyn Rajani sir enough for teaching me and guiding me through all these steps. At present also, whatever I do, whichever surgery I do, the way I think before the surgery, I would say that all is thanks to what Amyn sir has taught me so far. Thank you.